Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to get Twitch on Roku TV. Watch the video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. In this article, you can find the solution for how to get Twitch on Roku TV and a link is in the description. If you were one of the lucky few who had the official Twitch channel installed on your Roku streaming device, before it was removed, you might still be able to reinstall it by updating the channel and follow the following steps. So here the first step is go to the Roku website and sign in. After doing that, go to the My Account page. Once you done this, then select Add Channel using a code as shown in the picture. After doing these three steps, then the fourth step is enter Twitch TV and press Add Channel as shown in the picture. After that, a warning message will display. Just click OK. After doing all these steps, the last step you have to do is add the channel to your Roku device and update. This is how you get Twitch on Roku TV. If you found this video helpful, thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.